Hi friends, up to now we have seen math object, string object, number object and these all things we have seen what are the new methods available in the S6. Now we will come to the last thing, that is array. So in this array object, so what are the new methods introduced in the S6, let's we will see. So in order to continue with this one, so I will show you one thing. What we can say, for example, I have array. So I will write like this syntax. Okay. So if I write this in ES6 also it is in a ES5 also it is available this syntax thing. So if I write this syntax, what could be the output? If I write this one, I will be created 5 items, okay, in the array with all undefined. Let's check the output. If I check this output, sorry, we didn't get output, right? So we will try to console log that array and let's check the output. So if I check this one, I am getting all 5 items as undefined. So array of 5 is created as all 5 items is created as undefined. And now in ES6 we have a new feature, new method, that is OF off. Okay, if we use this OF off, what could be the output? If we see, we get the output as 5. Okay, so that means this number is taken as the value and created as a new array. So just like same old syntax how we have 5 like this. Okay, so same thing. So in the array we have a new syntax in the ES6, that OF off. So if I want to give, it will take as a list items. So now I can write, so I can able to create with off the new array. Okay, this one is the new thing, new method. Okay, OF off. Now another one, we'll go to the old type of initializing the array. So now I can do like this. This is the old fashion. Instead of OF off, we can use like this also. Okay, I am showing you the new things how we can declare an array. Now I will tell you another one. What we can do is, if I want to copy this one, okay, if I want to copy this array, how can I do this one? Okay, so how can I do this one is, for example, I took the new array. Okay, I want to copy this array, so I can do array dot from. Okay, dot from is the new method. In array dot from, we can give this array directly, and also optionally we can also pass the method. Okay, so function, so we can pass a function of value, something like this. So I am using the what we can say, that arrow type of method syntax. So val, I will take the val and I will return val into 2. Okay, I have written a new something like a method, so that take each value of this array, and multiply into 2. I am doing. So now I will try to print the console.log new array. Okay, now if I try to check the output, what could be the output here? So 20, 22, 26, it is multiplied by 2 and we got a new array. And what could be the old array? So previously if I try to do this one, if I try to copy, old array also will be changed, right? So now because they are reference types, so now if I try to check the array, what could be having? So old array will remain like that only. We will get a new copy of the new array and also the method. So what we have, do the custom function, we can do with that custom function, passing each element into that array. Okay, into that function. So this is dot from. And also we have also another method in the ES6, that is nothing but fill. So if we use this array dot fill of 100, okay, and if I do the console.log array, okay, if I print this array, so here what I am doing, I am using array dot fill of 100 and console.log, I am printing the array. So what could be the output? Say, as you expected, this filling, what will it do? It will fill with 100 in this array. So how could be the output? You will see. So right now I got the items, so each element in this array is replaced with the 100. Okay, so the array dot fill will replace all the items with the given value. And also if you want to change some specific values, specific indexes only, values in the indexes only, also we can change that one by passing the start index and the end index. So for example, if I want to change only this item, So I can write the index 1 comma end index as 2. So this one is a starting index, that is nothing but 0 and 1, and this one is the end index, that what we can say is this one is 2. So 2 means that the end index will not change, end index before to that one it will change. So now if I try to check the output, here I got the output as 10 comma 100 comma 13. So that means only one item is changed. So if you want to change only 1 and 2 and leaving the last item also, you can do like this. So only 2 items is changed, last item is left like that. So this is the fill command. Okay, and also we have another method in the array. So nothing but what we can say is array.find. Okay, so array.find, it will take, so something like val method it will take. So val is greater than or equal to 11 or something like this I have written. Okay, so I will try to console.log this one. Okay, if I try to console.log this one, so here in this one I am trying to find the values in this array whichever is greater than or equal to 11. Okay, here we are having 11 and 13 which is greater than or equal to 11. So let's see the output. What could be the output? I got only 11. So what could be thing? So array.find only returns only one value if ever whatever the match is found. So this condition gets true with the first occurrence of the element. So then it will stop finding the element and it will return that element. Okay, so for example, here array.find means it will go from first onwards. It will check that whether this condition is true or not. It is not true means then it will go to the second one. Here the condition got true. So val is greater than or equal to. It is not greater. It is equal to 11. So that is the reason it stopped going to the next thing and it is printed the result 11. Okay, so array.find will give the first occurrence of the condition. So in this type of find behavior, what we can see is we can find in the array of objects. For example, if here we have the numbers, we have written this one. If here we are having objects, if we are having objects means then what we can do. So for that one, so let's write a simple example. So I will take let array is equal to, I will write some name is equal to apples, and I can write quantity is equal to 12 or something like this. Okay, I will copy this entire thing and I can write here bananas. Okay, and I also can copy here and I can write here oranges or something like this. Okay, I have an array of object here. Now I want to find banana. Okay, whether this name with the banana is existing or not in this one, I need to find. So what I can write, I will create a function find bananas. Okay, this name is looking somewhat different, na like this. We will find oranges. Okay, instead of this one. So I will send the fruit object. Each object I will send to this one. So I will return, okay, fruit object dot name is equal to oranges or not. I will try to send. Okay, I will try to find the oranges. Now what I will do is I will try to find array dot find of what I can send. I can do find oranges. So I will pass the reference of this function. I will not directly execute this function. I will pass the reference of this function. So this array.find, what it will do, it will send each of this object to this method so that it will return true. Whenever this function returns true, it will stop going to the next element and it will return that oranges thing. So for example, if I send here, if I run this one, now we will try to console.log here. Okay, here I will try to console.log, and if I try to run here, I got the oranges here. See, if I try to find apples also, you can simply change here so that I can find the apples. So only first time one loop only it will rotate, it will find it in the first element only, it will stop going to the next element. So in this way we can find any value in the array of objects also using this find array. So these are some of the methods in the introduced in the array in the ES6. There are also some of the methods we will continue in the next video. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, so please post a comment to this video so that I will give you the reply. And also if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.